Yo guys, welcome back to another vlog, and in today's video, this is day number 2 of the vlog, and right now this morning, dude, it is cold as hell out here to get the Dante Inferno reference there. But anyways, we're going to be moving sites today, and it's going to be pretty interesting, so I'm going to help deconstruct the site back down, and we're going to get going. Let's go. Interesting to note is that on this campground specifically, we won't get sun until like the late afternoon, because it'll go from like right there all the way over like into there. So I thought that'd be interesting to note. So we're done tearing down the camper, and we're gonna move here in just a little bit. But lots of people are pulling out today. Probably get some people that are gonna be coming back in, hopefully. It's a get baseball break, you know, we gotta get some kids out here. But yeah, I'll vlog moving to the new campsite. And boom, the camper is done. We all did a good job of setting up the camper, but hats off to Mom for decorating the whole thing. She is currently working on something. There's the bingo pumpkin I won a few weeks ago. I still haven't uploaded that vlog, but I need to finish that. But yeah, and also, if you didn't notice, because I didn't tell anybody about this, we washed the camper. Me and that guy right there, Dad, me and him, we washed the camper. I think we did a pretty good job, but let us know how we did down in the comments below the video. Here's all where the action happens, so I'll tell you a little bit. That white cable right there, or line, whatever, that is our water. The black one, that's our power right there. You see that box? And then if we look right here, that's where the water hookup is. That's off, that's on. And then this is our sewer where all the poop goes. So basically where all the mini me's go. And yeah, that's our setup. Alright, so now we're heading up to the pool, you know, just gonna have a little bit of fun here for a little while. And today, my grandparents are actually coming up, so we're gonna go meet them in a little while and have some dinners. So yeah. So I just got done with the pool, and yeah, as you can see, I got me a Mickey towel. I'm gonna head back to the camper, get changed, and you might be wondering, today's vlog is gonna be longer because we're actually gonna go do stuff today. But yeah, I'm gonna go rent us some ping pong paddles and stuff, and then we're gonna head over to like the recreation center. So yeah, I'll check back and just... Alright, so now we're gonna head out to the parkway and just kind of see what is out there right now. So yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna play some air hockey here. I got my mom with me, and yeah, we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna record all of this game. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Alright, so we're back from going out to the towns for a little while, and as you saw, we were with our mom and papa. We didn't do too much today, but tomorrow we're going to have even more to vlog and even more fun stuff to do. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and call the vlog here. You know, it's already kind of long. I'm going to go ahead and probably take a shower here in a little bit too. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.